Every relationship is a lesson. Think about your happiness first. If there is love, your happiness will be your partner's and vice versa. We are made to be with someone we can be comfortably quiet with. Red flags are not a taboo, talk about them. Leave abusive and toxic relationship as soon as possible. It can be your friend, partner, or even a parent. Communicate, have an open, meaningful conversation at least once a week. Your partner should be your best friend. Talk about your priorities. Every person needs some space. You won't change a whole person, they won't change you either. Great sex not equal great match. Be kind. Money means nothing when you are both unhappy. Stay financially independent. Have fun together, go to the theater, take up a new hobby together, maybe a sport you both always wanted to try. Never ever try being someone else. You are allowed to do anything you want with your appearance and it's your decision. Love is unconditional. Relationships are for making us satisfied and happy. There is no rush. Relationships usually don't last forever. People may slightly change their priorities as they grow up. Sometimes you just need to go on a long week vacation with your partner. If you can't stand a week, you won't stand a whole life. You should be able to feel like home just by looking at your other half. Life is beautiful, but not everyone sees it the way you do. Always tell when something bothers you. If your partner does not want you to meet their friends or acts way different around them, run. These people may know more than you do. Sometimes thank you for your presence means more than repetitive I love you. Look at action, not words. Routine is not bad, lack of feeling is. Don't beg people to stay, they will leave at the most unexpected moment. Making pros and cons list speak for itself. You don't need to write things down to know if someone is worth it or not. It's important to know how your partner treats his or her sibling, parents, friends, etc. We all deserve to be happy. There is no right explanation for being disrespectful. This is simply wrong. There is someone who is your one.